Hello everyone. Today we will learn how we can furnish details of our state taxes paid during the year and our federal tax return while filing through TurboTax tool. To continue, please enter your username and password under the TurboTax website and click on sign in. Once you click, you will be landed to a dashboard page which looks like this. Click on take me to my return. Once clicked, you will be landed to a dashboard of your return page where you have furnished few of the details. You can either pick up where you left off, or else when you need to start from the scratch of your state taxes, click on State Taxes tab, enter the fourth option of the main head. Once clicked, you will be landed to a page where few questions are asked and you need to furnish few of the details in order the tool compute your state taxes liability. To continue, please click on continue appearing on the screen. Once clicked, the TurboTax tool will automatically collect your information, your personal information, your income, deductions and credit you have entered for your federal tax return. Once done, click on continue. This will ask a few more questions like, assuming we are in the New York State, we wish to enter and file the New York State return. To confirm, click on continue, and in case you want to change your state, click on amend and change there. Click on continue. Once clicked, a few more questions where you need to enter few more details about your state taxes returns. If the tool will confirm your residential status in your state in order to compute the liability. If based on the information furnished, you will be let to know that whether you are a full year resident or a part year or a non-resident. In the basis of the information we have furnished, we have learned that we are a full year resident. In case we need to change our residential status or we know something else, click on change residency here and update the status. Assuming we are full year resident, click on continue to go to next screen. The screen will confirm your permanent address that you have mentioned at the beginning of your personal information. Click on yes to confirm if this was your permanent home address. And in case it was not, click on no and update the address. Click on yes to continue. Enter your email address in case the department wants to contact you at a later stage. It is beneficial for the department to communicate through email. Click on continue to go ahead. Tell us the New York country in which you live. Let us suppose we live in New York City. Click on continue to go to next screen. Enter the school district in which we live. Click on continue after the selection. A final confirmation were you resident of the state for all of the 2016. Click on yes if you were for whole of the year. In case you were not, click on no and update your number of days you have stayed. Click on yes to continue. Click on done with residential info if you are ready to go ahead with this displayed information. In case you wish to edit, click on edit and update the information. Did you maintain living quarter in the New York City during 2016? If yes, click on yes. We will be required to furnish few more details like number of days spent in New York City. Click on no in case we don't have any living quarters. Assuming we don't have so, click on no and continue. The Yonkers or the New York residentials are considered as the Yonkers. In case we have a Yonkers source of income, click on yes to update, and in case we don't have so, click on no to continue. Assuming we don't have any Yonkers source of income, click on no and continue. Few more details to be furnished like educational adjustment, wage, retirement adjustment, and others. In case you wish to update any of the information or enter few more information which is required to be furnished to the department or which will benefit you for the long term or which will maximize your tax refund, enter the in case there are no, click on done with changes. Did you receive a property tax freeze credit or the property tax relief credit in 2016? In case we received, click on yes and enter the amount. In case we don't, click on no and continue. Assuming we don't have any property tax freeze credit, click on no and continue. Are you eligible for the real property tax credit? I owned a real property during the year with a current market value of more than 85,000. I lived in the same residence for 6 months or more. I lived in public housing or another residence that is completely exempt from the taxes. I lived in nursing home, none of the above. And select the appropriate options that suits you. In case none of the options suits you, click on none of the above and click on continue. This is because we haven't selected for the property taxes. Assuming we lived in the same residence for the 6 months or more, select this one and click on continue. We have a qualifying property here. In case we have a different address from the mailing, click on yes to update them. In place of they are the same, click on no and continue. In case the property is owned, select them. In case it is rented, select rented. And in the either case, if it is both, select both and click on continue. Enter the few more taxes like real property taxes paid, be it be $2,000 special assessment, be it be around say $1,000 taxes paid, not paid, or exemption. Let us say we have paid all our taxes and nothing is due from my side. Click on continue to go to next screen. Here is a summary of your household members which is displayed. In case you wish to edit any of them, click on edit and continue. In case we don't, click on done. Few more details like social security payments, supplementary security income, pension, other income. Enter them that suits your best and click on continue. We have received a real property tax credit summary of $75. Click on continue. Few more state credits and taxes that are eligible will be displayed. In case you are known with any of the information that you can get, enter the details and get the credit. If you are done with it, done with credits and click on continue. If you have paid any undergraduate college tuition fee, that will be eligible for your state taxes benefits. Click on yes to update them and click on no if we don't have. Assuming we don't have any so college tuition pays for any undergraduate students, click on no. Did we purchase any of the things that is out of state purchases? Examples: internet, catalog, and mail order purchases, telephone, purchases made in another state and brought back to New York, Click on Yes to update them. Assuming we don't have so, click on No and continue. Any voluntary gift that needs to be updated, click the Yes and update them. For learning purpose, we are assuming that we don't have so. Click on No and continue. In case you do not owe any underpayment penalty on your 2016 returns or taxes based on the information we have. Select continue if you have additional information that would change your situation. Skip if we don't have so. Here are your New York numbers that we need to finalize. You are getting a total state tax refund of $75. Review your information once again in order to verify that we do not furnish any incorrect information which can land us in trouble. Review the information and click on continue to continue. Any recent events and your New York returns. Did you know of the recent event like the one mentioned above, a storm or flood that causes New York to extend the filing deadline for the sale if due to any natural calamity? Update them by click on yes. Click on no as this is the normal situation. Additional check situation like estimates, request for extension, change or amend the previously filed return, and so on are the few other hits that we need to cater to finalize our further tax returns. Click on Done with other forms. You are just finished your New York returns. Select the relevant option in order to change any of the information furnished on the previous page. Once done, click on Done with the New York. Congratulations! The TurboTax tool has reviewed your New York return and everything looks good as per the software. Click on Continue to finalize. Once done, the tool will ask the necessary details or the supports files that you need to or you want to take from this team in order to file the return. In case you don't want, click on Continue. Click on Done with Stage, and a few more details that needs to be entered are regarding the health insurance. Click on Continue. A complete checkup will be done when this is done at the last stage of your state taxes. This is how a state tax return along with the federal return is filed over the tool. Hope you understood the video and understood how we can furnish the details of our state tax return through TurboTax tool. Thank you for watching the video.